Hello, my people. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, guys. I miss you guys. It's been a while. Wow. I'm sorry for not uploading on time. I was like so busy. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm here now the same. Guys, I have something important to talk about this evening. Very important. I mean, it's getting me angry. I just want to talk about it at least to free my mind. We may have far. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? Why na dey dull? Why na dey gbogbo? Why na dey lose guard on herself? Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? Because all those women, they just come make women no get respect again. They make men dey talk to women anyhow because of their attitude, because of their doings. Why? Why? Women dey come, me no dey ever hear am say all those our old mama time say woman go dey husband go dey commit adultery. E no many like this. E no dey like this. But now you see married women go dey husbands go dey commit adultery. Imagine married woman go carry another man enter im matrimonial house, matrimonial bed go blow. E get e be na women. Una still dey reason something una dey do. Wetin una dey do? Una still dey think, dey sit down dey think am if na wetin good. You dey husband house, you carry your husband will go work, you carry another man enter house go for. You follow another man go hotel go for. You think say person no dey see you? Person dey see you. You see some people, they no know say other people dey record it, they talk am for man say their husband no dey satisfy them. Man wey comot go work since morning don come back for night. How you imagine say you go fit spend 20-30 minutes for your chest? You dey see dem dey talk different rubbish say their husband no dey spend 10 minutes, no dey spend 20 minutes for their chest. Una take am easy na. If you tire for marriage, you tell the man say you don tire. You leave the man for you to dey commit adultery for a year, wan use fornication take kill the man. E no good. Mona try, mona change women. I just go beg now. You just come and say me I can't do this video because you no good. You no good. Mona still reason am. You no good. You dey husband as you dey commit fornication, dey commit adultery. E no good. Marriage na for better for worse. No matter anything, you suppose stick with your man. No be say small matter you happen you because that one go dey sleep with another man, or e come be like say your husband no get work again. You come say as e no get work again and no fit dey take care of you, you come go dey sleep with another man. E no make sense. E no good. Your children, how you feel say your children go take respect you tomorrow? They no fit respect you. Or neither your husband brother dey come, e come see say another man dey with you for inside bed. That family no get the way they will take like you. Women will just dey commit adultery, married women for that matter. If you no wan marry, you dey street. They no say na street you dey. No be say you marry, you still dey commit adultery. No be say the street tire you, no be make you marry. Okay, you marry now say yes, you don dey husband. Wetin go make you come still dey go dey sleep with another man again? Women more na change o. If una say una no go change, na wetin heavy na go fall meet una for chest. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? Una to just dey scratch una. If you dey scratch una, una put aboliki. I use God beg una. Una take am easy. Una no dey let dem dey cause women wey no know, wey no dey follow una dey do those kind rubbish. Some women too go know their, some of them will not be all because some women they too go know their self. And that they pray, and so I think they pray for all those one wey be like say they dey husband house. No matter the condition, no matter the circumstances, they don't leave their husband. They still they follow their husband. They struggle. They don't they commit adultery upon for their husband head. Now God go they bless those kind of women. No, not the way they put and do not go better for them. All those women wey dey husbands, wey you hold yourself, wey they give their husband respect, wey know their self, wey know they misbehave. Now God go bless you now. You see many of our women for Europe that they commit adultery. You see women will get 3 children. Now one be the one with the man wey marry am for now one be you for inside 2 person for outside. E good like that? E no good. E no good at all. Wanna try change. You know me say man no get money or man no get work. Say na so in life your contain. One day God fit still hear prayer. God go raise am up again. Say they don't collect work for your husband, you because of that one I go the fuck for outside. E no good. I know say many people come, many people they curse me now. They say until wetin they talk, you don't know wetin they pass through. Wetin you they pass through? They curse me. Your curse not get wetin you go do me, but I need to talk the truth. If your husband no dey satisfy you, for you to dey commit adultery for a year, you go leave am enter street as e be say your head no dey find respect. Una forget dem dey talk am say plate wey no get cover e no dey get respect. Ọkpa na-enwe ogwe. Plate wey no get cover, no respect for am. Na so man be to us wey be women. Woman wey no dey husband house, na boys go dey use am do yeye for street. If you dey husband, before boy go say you wan raise him hand slap you or talk to you anyhow, you go first go look who dey your back. This woman get husband o. Man no get the one wey small. Man na man. No matter anything, you go see some women because your husband get small stature or he get small body, he go dey beat the man. You go take the man, you go take am anyhow, you go play am. No be so. Wetin you know say dem no do to your brother, no do am to your husband o. Una hear? Wetin me know say dem no go do to my brother, I no go do am to my husband. On a normal ground, yes, man dey feel na my wife, me I see her assistant. But some women come you take am for Europe like say na one kind big thing. If the man no come help am do something, na war. From there now he go dey commit adultery, go dey fornicate for the man head. E no good. And all those men wey still dey carry una, wey know say una dey husband go still carry una go hotel go follow una come una matrimonial oath come fuck una, na God go punish them. Una wey still be the women wey dey do that kind thing, na God go punish una. Until una go confess for una husband, una go change. Only that way na God go fit forgive una sin. Wetin dey happen? Toto dey scratch una. E dey scratch una. I know say no be only Europe before they happen for everywhere, for Nigeria, or they happen for different countries. But it's too much. Women must dey respect ourselves. Must dey respect ourselves. Must na respect ourselves. Must no dey let them come dey insult the ones wey no dey follow na dey commit adultery. Must no dey let them dey insult them. Abeg. Imagine woman wey dey husband house go dey fornicate, dey commit adultery. Dey sleep with another man on top of your husband head. E no good na, it's unfair. Married women, you guys should respect yourself. You people should respect yourself, fellow women. If you are married, stick to your husband. If you are tired of that relationship, quit. For you to be in that man's house and still committing adultery, it's not good, it's not fair. It's not good at all. You guys need to be careful. Different things wey me dey see for this Europe, e dey baffle me o. You see woman wey a single mother save, wey dey even dey call say dey do. I know all those ones, they are all dey their body o, but I still better pass woman wey dey husband house, wey go dey commit adultery. For everybody know say single mother now, e no dey husband, if he do anything wey he like, na he life. We still dey talk say all those ones dey no good. What about una wey dey husband house, wey dey commit adultery? What about una wey dey carry another man come na matrimonial bed? What about una wey be married women wey the man dey carry go hotel? Una take am easy na women. Una take am easy. E too much. Abeg. It's getting too much. If you go here na woman, if you go here na woman matter, wetin? Na una start am. That one dey use the man dey talk anyhow just now. Say my husband cannot satisfy him. Your husband no dey satisfy am. This and this, no dey spend up to 20 minutes. Man sleep for your chest, fuck you for 20 minutes. Your body no go pee. Your body no go pee. There will still shameless women. They will still come and dey talk am for man. Shame go let una dey talk am say man no dey spend 20-30 minutes for una chest. Na iron dey take do una toto. Na iron. Abi get wetin dey take do una toto wey be say man una no dey belleful for sex. Women wey dey husband house, they just dey fornicate, dey commit adultery. Una wan kill the man? Una wan kill the man? You no know say if you don marry, you dey commit adultery for your husband head, say e go affect the man. If e no affect the man, e go affect your pikin. So tell say e go affect you wey be the woman wey do the thing. You never see where woman go fornicate, if they come ogun go kill am. You never see am. Now just dey misbehave, just dey do anyhow. Una take am easy, my people, my fellow women. Una take am easy. Bad song no be wetin dem dey use person, the music wey dem dey use person dey sing. You wan die na your man, so una change. I beg for good. And those wey say no one, they don't want change from those bad hearts. Now God now go punish them. Now wetin heavy now go fall miss them for chest. Now HIV they will take them down if they say they don't want change. I remember that time for Nigeria when one woman get HIV. Now married woman, not be say tell me, I tell you, I see her with my eye. See my eye, see UBTH. You can't do test for UBTH. They can't confirm and say you get HIV. They call the man, they do the man no get. Wetin happen? And the man say the man open mouth begin dey talk. Like this, so this woman don't take where they do this thing. In though they wash hands, it's almost 8 months. If they fuck around. Because of that thing, come fear, you know, come they sleep with her again. If not be say that man use the sense, say you know, come they sleep with that woman, I believe say the man for see contact. I know say not be only true sex that they contact HIV, that they contact her in different way. But at least nice sex, then they take the contact and pass. Imagine married woman get HIV, your husband not getting get where you foresee. Mona take her easy. You see married woman, you go get 4 children. Now you children where they carry, they gonna only one be your husband own. The rest are outside for carry the belle. Mona take her easy, my people. E don too much. Too much of everything is bad. Married woman go they commit adultery. They commit fornication. Una wey be the men where they do that thing, where they had their fellow man wife. Na thunder na go strike una. Thunder get thunder. The one wey carry everything, if they come, the way go to enter you, you not believe. Na go strike all those men. Wey be say their eye not they come out for another man wife, their eye not they come out for their friend wife. Waiting. Women fool everywhere. Not be even now when women surplus or everywhere. Not be man go to sleep with another a fellow man wife. Not be now. Not be now. Imagine woman wey dey husband house, man call you say you know tell her say abeg leave me on my husband house I dey o. No, you like you open your 32 teeth. You go open and finish. How the man not go take toast, how the man not take carry on, they want they disturb you. But there's nothing like when the man come that face, you wanna not try him. No think again. In short, if I reach us, I'll tell my husband, that man, he go run far from you. He go run. Now they follow them, they laugh. Boy go come meet you say, Mama, how far? Mama, how you dey now? Mama, what is so moke line? You they laugh. You know go one and say, my brother, I better not try that kind of talk with me again. Now husband as I do. No. Or in name of say you want get small money for there. What till they sup? All of them want just they do and slay mama. Slay what in name of slay mama. Now they destroy themselves. Now this na life now they live. Not be so. Not be so. Woman wey not dey husband has no respect for her. Now any man wey see her for us and then they use her do jeje. If you dey husband house, you go hold yourself. Even your husband self, where your husband go for go hold you. Inside deep down inside your heart. But if you dey misbehave, you no go send. If you know they misbehave, say person talk am, so the way you go take start to dey fight for outside, now you go hear. But if you dey misbehave, you no go fit fight for you. Shame no go let am talk. Una just dey do, una feel say una don do no level. Una dey disgrace una self, una dey disgrace una family, una dey disgrace una relative. No be the man una dey disgrace. Abeg make una change. Married women wey dey commit adultery, wey dey fornicate, you people should change. Those married women that is committing adultery, you people should change. Change for good. When you are married, you have to stick with your husband. No matter the situation, no matter the circumstances, stick with him, fight together. Maybe by God's grace, things will get better for you, for the both of you. When your husband is down, you just think the guy will not rise up again. You feel you can do anything you want. You feel you can do anything you like. You go out there to sleep with other men. You bring men into your matrimonial home. It's bad. It's bad. You people should change. I'm not talking about all the women. So few, some of them, not few, some. Some of them. You people should change. Many of you out there, I know you are doing it. I've seen the video most times. But it's too much. You people should change. Change for good. It's not good to be a married woman and still committing adultery. It's not good. It's not a good thing. You people should change. Try, please. You people should change. If you don't want to change, thunder will strike you. If you don't want to change, thunder will strike you. If you are that woman, you are a married woman, you are committing adultery, thunder will strike you. If you are a man if you are a man, you are eyeing your fellow man's wife, thunder will strike you. If you are a man, you know a woman is married, you still go ahead and talk to that woman, take that woman